Today's topic is the exploration and practice of drinking bird drinking water. Hello everyone. Everyone has seen the science toy The Drinking Bird. Today we're going to make and explore our own drinking bird. The materials we prepared include plastic cups, PET bottles, ruler, straw, bamboo stick, long tail clips, spoon, rubber bands, cotton, scissors, stapler, water. First, make a frame. We have clipped off the sharp end of the bamboo stick to avoid students getting pricked. Clip the two long tail clips at the edge of the cup. Push the bamboo stick through them. Make a little adjustment so it can balance. Then we're going to make the cup for the drinking bird. Take a large PET bottle. Cut it open with scissors. Finally, create the body of the drinking bird. Measure 10 cm on the straw. Cut it off with the scissors. Place the straw on the spoon. Tie its front end up with a rubber band. Once tied, test it. Here, we're going to tie it up with the rubber band as well. Test it once it is tied. We find that it'll get stuck, so it has to be moved to the side a little. It won't be stuck this way. Now we're going to attach the straw and cotton. First, we take a little piece of cotton. Wet the cotton with water. Place the cotton at the front end of the straw. Staple it with a stapler. Do not let it fall off. Then soak the entire straw in water. To push the air out, let the straw be filled with water. We take another small piece of cotton. Insert it into the other end of the straw. At this time, the straw is filled with water. Water would not get out easily. Then place it on the spoon. Put the other end into water. When the water starts to leak out at the bottom, we can remove the cotton. Remember to keep the tip of the straw in the water. Because there must be capillary action at the tip, so we have to choose materials that are absorbent. Here, we have used cotton. It can be replaced with other materials to prevent the cotton from coming off. We have stapled the front end of it. Next, fill the inside of the straw with water, so siphoning will take place and the water can flow to the spoon. Then, because there must be continuous action, the water that is absorbed would flow to the spoon. When the spoon is heavy enough, it would pour the water down into the cup. The bamboo stick would have a great impact at this time. It forms a lever with the spoon, so it must function smoothly here. This is why we use two long-tailed clips to make the phenomenon of the principle of lever at work clear. Then we're going to find out if the water level of the cups have any impact on the drinking bird drinking of water. The water level of the cup is about 12 cm. Put the drinking bird down. Wait for 3 minutes. Now the height of the water level is 14 cm. Put the drinking bird on it. Wait 3 minutes. Based on the result of the experiment, if the water level of the cup is higher, the difference in height between the straw and the water level will also be bigger. So within the same amount of time, the times of it drinking water and the volume it drank would both be higher. Competition. Whoever can make the drinking bird drink the most amount of water within 5 minutes would win.